So this is the homework. So those who have the textbook already, it is in page number 5. You can write it 5 times. Others, please do it in your notebook itself. Okay. So now let me try to answer a few questions. Rama Bhagini, please be ready. Whenever I call out your name, please unmute yourself and please ask the question. We shall take another 4 to 5 minutes and then we will try to conclude today's session. Rama Bhagini, Rama Pichi Krishnan, please unmute. Okay, I'll go to the next one.
Namaste, Mahodi. Whether we have to send this 5 times to you?
No. Please write it in your notebook. Please do the homeworks diligently. I'll be asking for some of the assignments that you need to submit, but this is not to submit, but it is for yourself, for your practice. Please do it. Dhanyawadaha. Okay, so that's a very good question. So basically, if there are anything that you need to submit, I will provide it. I will provide the information upfront. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, Srinivasan Mahodaya.
I want to listen once more to R.
Okay. The third letter. 1 second. Let me go back to that slide.
9th letter.
Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. Let me go back to that slide. Okay. I will repeat all these 3 letters because there will be a bit confusion for all these 3 letters again. R. R. So you are not
R.
stressing. R.
Yeah. R.
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 Ha. That's right. Don't stress anywhere. It is a very light touch of your tongue behind your teeth. R.
R.
That's right. That's perfect. R. R. And
R. R. That is
again. It is again a slight touch again. L.
L. It's a combination of L and R, is there?
Though it seems so, but it is again an independent swara. So it is not L. We will not specifically say both Lakara and Rakara. It is L. That Rakara Amsha, the Amsha is very little. Okay, it is very subtle. So it takes some time for you to get the right pronunciation for all the students. So keep practicing this while writing. So it is the best way to learn that. I hope I've answered your question.
Dhanyawada Mahodaya.
Namaste. Dhanyawadaha. Okay. Next, if your question is answered, please lower your hands yourself. Namrata.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
कक्षा सेप्टेम्बर् मासतः प्रचलति किन्तु परीक्षा आगस्ट् मासे अन्ते भविष्यति खलु?
चिन्ता नास्ति. तत्र यथा अस्माकं कक्षाः प्रचलिष्यन्ति तत् दृष्ट्वा तदनुगुणं परीक्षां लिखामः वयं. तत्र परीक्षा विषये अधुना चिन्तां न कुर्वन्तु इति प्रार्थये. So don't worry about the exam, though it is there in August last Sunday. I plan to cover the syllabus as well within the time, with some time for you also to revise and so on. But let us see. Let us not worry about the exam at this moment. Let us learn and enjoy our learning for this pariksha. Okay. So yeah, as and when it is the appropriate time, I will let you know about the exam details. Dhanyawada. Okay. Next. Shakuntala Mahabhaga. Please unmute yourself and ask the question. Next, Pratima Mahabhaga, please be ready for the next question. Yes, Shakuntala Mahabhaga, you can ask.
I am living in the USA, but I am also not as other students, but I have a lot of interest in learning the Bhagavad Gita, and for that I am learning the language. If I learn the language, then I will be able to understand.
That's
Now,
right.
my question is, do you all also teach chanting, and can I learn that?
Teach what? Teach?
Teach Bhagavad Gita chanting.
Okay. Yes, that is right. So there are a few courses on our course that is Sanskrit from Home website, which is ongoing, where Brinda Akka, one of senior teacher again, she's teaching Bhagavad Gita currently. So if you visit sanskritfromhome.in website, you'll be able to register to the course and learn about it.
When that course will start?
Maybe since this is not relevant to the current course, I'll probably answer it over an email. If you would write an email to me or to
Okay, I'll
support
write
it.
an email to you. Right.
Dhanyawad. Really
And
sorry.
two more questions. One
Okay.
is, do you all hold the exams in other countries, in USA?
So to answer to that, you will have to reach out to the Sabha. I have provided the email address, so they would guide you with respect to the exam.
And the third is that you also, you all were explaining something and we have to unsubscribe, but I did not unsubscribe. But will that?
No. Don't worry. That was to say, if in case you don't see that line in the course page as unsubscribe now, that means to say you have not registered yet. So that was just to show that please ensure that you have subscribed to the course. That was just an instruction. So you don't have to worry. You have registered and you have got the email, and through that you have attended this course. So
Yeah.
there's no action from your end.
And the textbooks, when and how can we get them?
Again, for the textbooks, again it is through Sabha only you'll have to procure. But the whatever content is there in the textbook, I'll be showing in the slides, as well as some of the documents that I will be sharing on the course page. Through that, you will be able to learn the contents of the textbook.
And the last question is, how can I open the lessons?
Okay. So this again, once I will brief about this in the next class, because today I will be after today's class, today's materials will be uploaded. Once that is done, in next class I will give a small demo about how to navigate in the course page and access the lessons.
Yeah, because my timing is 9 in the night.
Good. Sure. No
And
problem.
when it is Wednesday morning, it's Tuesday night here.
Got it. Sure.
Tomorrow,
No problem.
again, yeah.
Yeah, we'll take care of that.
Thank you
Dhanyawad.
so much. Thank you very much. I'm very happy that I'm able to learn up now. And
Dhanyawadaha. Pratima Bhagini.
Namo Namo Mahoday.
Namaste.
In English and in Hindi, when we are pronouncing words like Yankateshwara, Krishna,
Right.
there are
Right.
many different ways that we are given that pronunciation. So Vyankatesh it is, or Venkatesh it is.
Right.
As part of as the phonetics, would we also understand which particular matra, which combination of swaras are used, vyanjanas are used, so we know how to pronounce it when we are doing shlokas and all.
That's right. So we'll touch upon that in this Varnamala Parichaya itself. We have classification and also the origin of the sounds. We will touch upon that during that lesson.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sure. Dhanyawadaha. I will take one more question probably, though I see some of you have raised your hands. In case I'm unable to answer all your questions now, please note my email address, which is raghu.vyoma@gmail.com. It is there at the bottom of each and every slide. So please write an email to that if there are some unanswered questions. Okay, now let me try to ask Kannan Mahodaya. Next will be Dr. Smita Kavatekar. Please be ready.
Can we get the book by paying?
I'm Shemeta. I'm unable to hear you. Can you please speak near the mic?
Can we get the book by paying online?
Yes, Mahodaya. You can please contact the Sabha office. The phone number and the details are provided on our course page. So you can please refer to that and contact them.
Okay, Dhanyawad. Ram Ram.
Dhanyawada. Ram. Next, Smita Bhagini.
Namaste, sir. All these recordings will be uploaded in the website, right? In
That
the
is
course.
That is right.
Yeah. If I have to
Recordings
go
will be
through this.
Yes. recordings will be uploaded to the course page as well, and also it is available in the YouTube. Right now it has been live streamed in YouTube as well, so you can refer to that as well in the interim.
Same Samskrita from
That is
home.
right.
That,
That is
okay, fine. Yeah.
Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala, that is the Sanskrit channel that you will have to look for. Learn
Okay.
Sanskrit. So there you will be able to see today's recording, today's live stream YouTube video. From that as well you can learn.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Dhanyawadaha. Next, Murali Krishna. Next, Shiva Shankar, please be ready. Yes, please go ahead, Murali Krishna.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Actually, we are 4 of us in our family. We all want to take the exam, but only one of us could able to register that. Is that so? Can we all take up the exam?
No problem. So exam registration is a different process. So for the course, it is a different thing. So you all of you can sit together and learn. There is no harm in it. But whenever there is a announcement related to the exam or application forms, etc., I will notify in the class. Then during that you can register for separately for 4 of you for the Prathama exam from Surasat Sabha.
Even kids are eligible for that, Guruji.
There are a few guidelines that at least the class should be 5th and above or so. I will provide you the details when it is necessary.
But that means as of now there is no registrations are open. Then that's what you mean to say.
Correct. For the exam from the Sabha, the applications are not yet called for. So since the exam will be there in last week of August, the exam application form procedure will also be there somewhere in June. I will let you know about it.
Okay. Dhanyawadaha, Guruji.
Dhanyawadaha. Okay, Shiv Shankar Mahodaya.
Hari Om Mahodaya.
Please speak near the mic.
Hari Om, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear.
Is it possible that you can provide the textbook in PDF format as a soft copy?
I'm afraid, sir, because I cannot provide the complete textbook as a soft copy because there could be copyright related protection, etc. So I will check with the Sabha and see what best can be done in this case. But I will be providing at least whatever portions has been taught in the lesson. I will be providing the materials for that which is typed by our Vyoma team, and I will provide them.
Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawadaha. Okay. So I think we are already late from the scheduled time. So I really apologize. Since this was the first class, I wanted to at least cover until Swaras, and so I took a bit more time to explain all these. So please practice and do the homeworks diligently, and that's what I always request you all. So attend the classes regularly. This will be an amazing journey to learn Sanskritam. As I always say, Sanskritam kathamasti, Sanskritam sulabhamasti, aham Sanskritam avashyam pathami. So let us all resolve that we will learn Sanskritam in the best way possible, and we will enter the world of Sanskrit literature, as our Jagat Gurus have coined the name of the last exam as Pravesha. So let us all learn in a step-by-step way and complete all these exams and learn Sanskritam to feel ourselves happy and satisfied that we have learned the Deva Bhasha, Samskrita Bhasha. With that, I again thank you all for attending this class. Dhanyawadaha sarvebhyaha. Punaha parashvaha milamaha. Shukravasare milamaha. We shall meet again on Friday for our second class. Dhanyawadaha. Ram Ram Ram. Namo Namaha. And if there are any questions, please write to raghu.vyoma@gmail.com.